All right. Here's going to be my fluid pour part 2. Because the first time it didn't actually do anything. It was all blank. So as you can see with this one, I've added tissue paper. And as I was playing with the camera, I think I might want just a little bit more paper on here. So I'll show you how I did it the first time. Lots of this on here because not only does it help it stick, it also helps make the tissue paper harder, which that's what we want here. Because when we do with the fluid pour, we do not want the tissue paper to mush. So, more tissue paper. Just throwing it on here any way that I want to. As you can see though, is I do not want it over the edges. And the only reason is because with a lot of my pieces, I end up wanting to frame them. And if I have too much stuff hanging over the edge, then I don't like it. So this is the great part about what art is. Art is what you make it. So when you're doing stuff like this, especially with tissue paper, just do whatever you want. If you like it, great. Doesn't matter what anybody else thinks, right? So I do like this, so I'm going to just put some more of this on here. Flatten that out a bit so when it comes time to do the pour, it will pour up in it. Alright. I like that. Much better. Alright, so now this is going to take a few minutes to dry, so I'm either going to use a hair dryer to speed it up. Not really sure what I'm going to do, but we'll have to put the camera on pause. While we do that, I might as well show you some of the pieces that I've already done. Now this piece here, a little bit hard to get the full view because it is quite a large piece. Totally love that one. This one was inspired by a painting that was in it. There's another one that is a fluid pour. And this one here, I love this one here. I call it chocolate with a touch of cream. I used a pearl color instead of a white, so it really sparkles in certain lighting. This was the first one I did. Big fail. Didn't use any medium. A couple cute little guys down there. This one leaning against here. Now this one is not a pour. That was actually just a big abstract, and then I put resin on it. And that one there, love that one. Now this one here, it's not a pour, but as you can see with this one, I used the tissue paper. And that is what got me all excited about doing more tissue paper.
Put up the money, I promised you. I thought I could rearrange.
All right, so this is dry enough for me. Sorry the TV's on. You know what? I catch up on my TV shows while I'm doing my art. And this is really hard. So you'll see by my channel, you'll see all the people that I watch and that I subscribe to, and you should too because they're amazing. I don't know how they talk. It's really, really hard to do. So first of all, I'm going to put white. And yes, I've already pre-mixed these. They have water, they have all the medium in it, they have everything in here.
Why you say that? You seen the shooter? No, but I know it was then.
As you can see with this canvas, it's not a normal canvas. I actually make my own.
You got any
So,
other
my Facebook name is Becky's Art Rescue, and it's there because I usually take whatever I can find to make my art. So this frame is 1.5 inches deep, 3 feet long, and 1 foot wide. I love this size. Fits in so many places in the house. Alright, so what I'm going to do with this one, take all the lids over here off everything, make it easier.
Trust me, man, it is not worth going down that road.
Please, like your bitch has knows the first thing about this life. I'll handle my business my own way. Let's go, big boy.
Okay. So, the first color I'm going to do is white. Then I'm going to do some metallic gold.
I can get the charges dropped. I gotta take you in. I can't let you play street hero.
Marcos, you've done
Then I'm going to do some bronze.
staying holding or a lifetime in prison.
Hope you can see this okay. Then I'm going to do some black.
What about me? Just hang tight. Get a report to the detectives when they get here, okay?
One more time.
This guy's here to keep
White.
Hands behind your back now. Are they in?
Metallic gold. Just a little bit. Probably holding this too high.
This shooting went down a couple blocks from my house.
Bronze.
So put in a request to increase patrol in the area. Help keep things from popping off.
Yeah, I saw that
Some
one come
more
through.
black.
Sketchy part of town.
Yeah, well, it's also home. Doing my best to make it less.
So I want to keep a lot of this.
Why'd you buy a house in the middle of one?
Cost me practically nothing. But more than that, my pops always told me to lead by example. So it's tough to do sometimes when folks in some areas only have a system of guns out.
You're getting quite the interesting pour
I
here.
was friends with some of the bangers
I'm
on the block
liking
who
it.
want to handle things their own way, so added patrol presence would really help keep things cool till we get ahead of this.
Okay, I'll get your request prioritized.
Now I'm going to do that one more time.
Saturate the area for the first 24 hours.
So I've got the
that
white.
should be on-site time to find a lead worth chasing.
All right, thanks for that. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Gold.
You were just the highly decorated cop I was looking to catch this morning. Good news.
Bronze.
I'm not gonna like this, am I?
The LA Chronicle wants to interview a SWAT
Black.
officer, a day in the life kind of thing. The mayor wants you.
Why me?
And I'm going to
Why
do it
not?
twice.
Sorry, I don't do
So I'm
interviews.
gonna do some more
I'm allergic to
white.
the spotlight, but LAPD's got 70 other SWAT officers. I'm sure you'll find somebody who'll be happy to do it.
And gold. Bronze. And then black.
Kate, I'm missing the Cornwell file. Have you seen it?
Here, you left it on my desk when you got back from court.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
And Joan, is there any chance you can push my lunch with Nicola
I'll
the
do
next
this one
week?
over
I
here.
need to clear this off my desk by the end of the day.
Yeah, sure. Hi, can I help?
Now it's okay if these colors don't actually blend in with my tissue paper, because I might be doing my own thing with those ones. Oh, there's too much. I love how that gold's looking. Love it, love it, love it.
We have to be to face what we face every day. There's
Always liking how the gold is turning out. I think it's such a nice touch lately.
strong you need to be.
Alright.
What did you just say? But who you need around you to make it okay.
Just they should watch themselves. Because you are that nurse.
I am a nurse, and I'm a damn good one.
Nurses, season finale Monday on Global.
There we go. So that's pretty good.
Using natural ingredients to craft scents that work in harmony.
Alright, so it's been about an hour. And the whole thing to me was just a big cluster fudge because it's nothing like I wanted it to turn out.
creating
So I spent the last hour or so blow drying
in a way that respects
the bottom.
planet.
So as you can see by blow drying it, it is now actually, and I hope you can see it all,
With Tresemme Keratin Smooth Collection,
it became more 3D.
you can have smooth
Which
hair that moves
wasn't what I was looking for, but it's okay. Because now what I think I'm going to do, looking at the bottom as I am, hopefully you can see it better, I'm actually going to paint the bottom and try to make it look like a tree, and then I'll let you know how it goes. We'll see if we ever get this first video done and the first painting. All right, we'll see you in a bit.